So guys, n'a pas acheté bagay toujours. Ça c'est picky bank. Brianna a serré l'argent là-dedans. Il mettait l'argent. Chaque fois que l'argent mettait dans ça. Et il serré. Well babe, my daddy over here. Got a dresser, pillow, curtain. Allez no daddy, push it.
Push it, daddy.
Push it, push it, push it.
Push it, daddy. Push it.
Daddy a poussé.
Push it, daddy.
Nous venons ça. Nous besoin de petite lampe. That's it. Where's the lamp? Oh, babe, attention. So, guys, I'm chercher bail pour acheter toujours. Quel est pas derrière, chérie? Regardez ça, il va faire. Si ça tombe, zo grand moun pas bon. You know that, babe? Moun zo grand moun pas bon. So we got everything here, but go and pay. About to go and swap that card. Okay, guys, restez branchés pour nous résultats yo. Là, nous faisons tout bagay. Vidéo ça bien plusieurs parties là-dedans, ok? So restez branchés. Ok, babe. Ouais, je suis dans tête en bas. C'est fait Brianna, so nous pas le surprise li. Ça c'est pour carbone ni. Nous voulons qu'on Brianna pour des petites filles, babe. Ça c'est tout bail acheter pour lui. Babe. Après j'ai carbone là. Faites-le c'est pour 1er juin, so nous va faire le surprise. L'idée qu'on gagne on petit carbone Simone, qu'on y a she's a big girl.
Big girl. No
She's
more.
gonna get a big girl's bed. Daddy's putting it together. Don't worry, guys. Wash up not yet. I'm back pretty soon. It's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah,
We're gonna
ça c'est premier step là.
step 1, guys.
Premier step là, nous tout connaître veste là dedans.
Yeah.
Tête en bas.
Moi, je vais leur montrer chambre dans tête en bas parce que leur fin fait lettre ou va le montrer reveal là. So, guys, it might look messy now, but the room is gonna look nice. Okay? We gotta make sure it looks nice. This is a mop, we're cleaning. Nèg la travail. Okay, babe, travail no.
Alright.
Boss la travail.
Stop travail là.
Tout bagay pral white and pink. Ça c'est pour mettre la salle. Tout ça est neuf. Ça est pour mettre tant que barrette. The bed sheet is so cute. So cute. Bébé boss là, c'est moi qui. Non, c'est moi qui.
Moi mais monter ma fond.
Je monte la pour monter, ok? Je juste dire ça pour le faire le fait.
OK, boss baby.
Yeah. So cabane ça prend less space, oui, babe. So you get less space. Après côté de pas jouer là. Then the king, because this is the full. This is a full size bed. This bed is gonna go in the basement. Bye bye to small room. That's with glass. Coiffeuse là. L'argent tati Nana mette pour lui. She got money on the floor from her tati.
Everything is $20.
$20. Happy birthday, balloon. Happy birthday, balloon. Pictures. Mais l'argent, oui. Nana get l'argent pour piggy bank client. This is all from her piggy bank. Money from her tati. She got money on the floor, money on the floor, money on the floor, money. She got TV from her tonton. Gift from her tonton. Money from Tati. Tati Rose. For her piggy bank. Yeah, so she's gonna come in. Guys. You can buy no kids. Happy birthday. Balloon. Pictures. Okay, guys. Yeah.
You ready, baby? Open it up. So you ready?
Yeah.
You like
I
it?
love it. Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You see money? You get money
See,
from
I
your
got money
tati?
everywhere. Look.
Get
Got
your
that
money.
on the floor.
You got
Who's
your
that feel
money.
like a flower? Why you take the money first? Eh?
I like,
Yeah.
and I also like the bed.
There you go. You jump on the bed. It's your
So that's your
bed.
piggy bank that you wanted for your birthday.
You
to put your
remember
money.
what you were asking for? So stop my day?
Yeah.
TD make. There you go.
Pour l'argent, non? Pour l'argent, vous
What is
mettez
this
là-dedans.
for? What is that for?
Money
Money? So when Toto give you money, where you put it?
in here.
You put it in here. See how much money you have. This is from Auntie. You have money everywhere on the floor. Woo.
Pick all your money, girl, before someone
Money.
takes it.
Go ahead, put
Pick
it
it
in
up,
the
pick it
piggy
up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, you can put it on after.
Show me how you gonna put the money in. Money.
Yeah.
There you go.
Get all of them.
There you go. Let me see you put all the money in.
It's not going in.
Yeah, it's gonna
Of
go
course
in.
it is
Keep
going
pushing
in.
it.
Yeah.
Get more.
Are you excited?
Yeah, and I have my own TV.
You have your own TV.
I got
like
it.
that. So what are you excited the most about the room?
The bed and the TV and the money.
Wow.
And the picture.
Wow. Look
Is
at
that
you
the
have
lights?
one picture behind you. Look behind you.
Wow.
When you were a baby.
That's me, that's me, that's me.
Yeah, how about those three?
Yeah, that's me as a baby, that's me as a baby.
Okay,
That's-
guess what? How old you think you were here?
0,
Oh, okay. You're a newborn. How about here?
1,
Okay, 1. How about here?
5.
Okay, you got it right. Yeah.
I
High
know.
five.
5.
How about here? How old?
5.
How old do you think you were here?
5.
How about here?
2.
Wow. How about here?
1.
That's a 1. Good job. You did good. So you need help picking up your money?
I'm gonna do.
So you have to give me some if you need help. How much you gonna give me?
20.
20? Okay, so let me help you. Okay, put one here. I don't know how much I put in there, but I put 1.
You gotta say thank you to Tati, okay?
Okay.
When you're done.
Come Look, you got more on the TV.
More money over here.
Oh man, you're a money girl.
Birthday
Wow.
money. How does it feel to be 6?
Good.
Huh? Are you happy?
Yeah.
How old are you?
You got your
6.
birthday
Kila you?
dress.
6.
Quel âge you? 6 ans?
This season.
Season.
Okay.
Montrez-moi 6. Montrez-moi 6.
Show me 6. Your
Count.
finger. There we go. You know how to count.
Yeah.
And you got your birthday shoes from your auntie.
Also, my friends are 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
All of your friends are 6.
Some.
Got the birthday balloon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You need help? So you're gonna take all
Every
the
time you
money
get your money, put them in here.
Yeah, when I get a lot of money, I think I'm gonna buy.
So the money you have home, you're gonna put it in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so you can jump on your bed. There we go.
Wait, not with your shoes on.
Not with your shoes on.
Try it on. Take your shoes off. Try your bed. See how comfortable it is.
So
You have a
your
big
own
girl's
TV.
bed.
You have your own TV. And guess what? Before you go to sleep, what time you have to turn the TV off?
Bedtime.
Bedtime? What time is the bedtime? No. Like 8, 9? 8? 8?
8.
Yep. You
Get
like
on
it?
there. Get on there.
You
Get
like
on
this
the
light?
bed. You see, if it's at night, you know how you don't like to be in the dark? You can turn it off and then you don't have to be scared because you're a big girl now. You can sleep by yourself.
There we go.
Jump,
Sure you
jump,
like it.
jumpy,
There
jumpy.
you go.
But you
There
can't be doing that
go.
every day, okay? So you don't break the bed.
So
Today's your
now,
birthday.
I want you to take a few seconds, stay in front of the camera and thank Mimi. Because she made all these up. Daddy wouldn't be able to make it up.
Ah, you're welcome, my love. Anything for you. Mwah. Happy birthday again. Now you have your own room, your own TV. When you want to take a break, you want to watch your shows, you can come in here and lay down and read a book. And you have to start reading, okay? You have to start reading on your bed. Okay? We got the soft blanket.
Alright, so comme Noël déjà, c'était fait premier petit film. Premier petit film. Alright, so nous te
Yeah.
nous et nous préparer chambre dans pour lui. So nous avons une propre chambre ni, which is good. So moi mais ça et comme nous connaissons déjà guys et pas oublier et post et à chaque fois nous poster nous t'avons et l'autre trouver vidéo pour garder et puis abonner avec nous et puis nous capable et plus et bon plus vidéo et vous comprenez. So comme nous nous pas vraiment poster et nous vraiment désolé de ça et nous avons pile back à
Look at that video that put it in you.
nous avons pile back à quit so not get up nous et plus focus à YouTube là et désolé encore fanatique et pas négliger et abonner avec nous, suivre nous, subscribe, partager et inviter les amis. Encore
Okay.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You love it?
Go say thank you to your Tati for the money, okay, baby?
Bye, David.
Auntie thank Tati Messi for the money.
Okay, you're gonna be a wish girl tomorrow morning.
Okay.